everyone! Welcome back again with another vlog. Yeah, so we're on our way to Mind Museum. Yan, mamasyal muna kami sa Mind Museum. And after that, we'll go to Astoria, Ortigas. And then we'll have a dinner. So yeah, join us with another fun adventure today. See ya! Masakit po ba yan?
O, try mo. You should try. Come on. Hawakan mo, be. Oh, look. Look, mommy's hair.
Look! Really, look at that, his hair. You wanna try it?
No.
No? See? What's that? Handheld microscope. Oh, it's like this, anak.
Mommy.
Ah, like this, right, no? It's...
No, there's so many blocks.
Is that
Ayan.
ba? Ito daw, microscope daw siya. Really, what are those?
These are bugs.
Bugs and flies and...
Just here.
Uh-oh.
Hey, it's inside. Oh my, mommy! It's a hand. My mommy.
Do you know DNA? Play now, okay?
What's this?
Let's play. Human DNA is located primarily. Ah, loko. Marley, can you try?
Look, what do you see? What do you see? It's...
What is it? Ano yung worry?
bodies. So, these are the muzzles.
Science class nest eh.
And it's
Daddy, what's that?
Sa hand. Wow, it's a bee! Oh yes, it's a bee! Hi, bee!
And they have like two wings. It's a bee! It's a bee! Daddy!
Can we like say left? Is it right?
Mommy! Oh, mommy!
Right, look!
Daddy!
Can you press? Whoa! So that's bryophytes. That's birds.
Oh my! Octopus.
For this?
Gorilla.
Bakit naman?
Or bees. Honey.
What is it? Stand there, oh, stand there.
Oceans were formed 4 billion years ago when all of the water vapor in the Earth's atmosphere cooled and fell as rain. Coming to the planet's
What's a
surface,
volcano?
also ruled by the currents of the earth.
Daddy!
It's
Really? Oh no! Oh no!
Oceans support almost 50% of the life forms on Earth.
Oh!
Oh, mommy! What's a volcano? Today's a volcano! Mommy! Look at this, mommy!
Ano yan, Dad?
parang yung tornado.
Steered by the placement of the continents and the Earth's
What's
rotation.
it? Oh! Mine's a tornado!
Yes, it is.
Oh, mommy! It's blowing!
Ay, sorry. Come on.
Mommy, spin it around!
It's
Going!
ten, 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 ten.
Daddy!
Brel, sandali. Hindi mo tayo tapos dito.
Come here! Spin!
Oh, your favorite part.
My favorite outer space!
Who's that? It's Gong Ryong. Be. Ito pala yung Lee Min Ho cake.
Astronaut! Mommy! Astronaut!
Kainin mo naman, Be.
Oh, mommy!
Oh.
Daddy! Daddy! Look! The planet!
OA. Napaka-OA, Be.
My daddy!
Be, OA ka, Be.
Yung dalawa kayo dyan.
Hi guys, ito pala si Gong Ryong. There's Daddy, Braille.
Daddy, you're an instrument in space!
It's Briley, the astronaut. Briley, do you want to be an astronaut?
No.
Why?
Oh, God. Mommy! See you by flipping the boat. Okay. Oh, Daddy. This is our room. See, Daddy? Daddy! This is our room! I will... Oh, Mom. Daddy. This is the bed. Daddy! This is your room!
Hi everyone! So we're here in Astoria Plaza, Ortigas. So ito yung complimentary stay namin as a member kami ng AVLCI. Tama ba ako, Dad? AVLCI. Yan. Tapos meron silang ka-welcome fruits.
This is room!
Ito yung living room area. So ito na yung pinaka ano nila, dining. Tapos meron silang kitchen.
The view!
Yan. May pa-fridge pa. This room is a one-bedroom suite. Ano nagawa nyo dyan? Tapos ito yung bathroom. Siya.
Daddy, oh, this is the bathroom.
And then, ito yung pinaka-room nila.
Oh my, this is cool. Boy.
Ito yung bed.
Wait!
Nakaka-bother lang yung view dito. Nakakatakot siya.
Oh my.
Tada! Wala siyang anis. Kasi 17th floor to, guys. So while we are waiting for our
What do you want to watch?
Starbucks and McDo,
Movie.
watch muna kami ng movie. After we went to Mind Museum in BGC, dumiretso kami ng SM Aura and nag-dinner kami doon. Tapos after ng dinner, naghanap kami ng school bag ni Bradley. Yung ano, anong tawag doon, Dad? Yung digulong. Digulong? Trolley, yan. Yun. So, mga time check is 10:24. So, mga 10 p.m. na kami.
Okay.
Maybe po ba na isla po, sir? Meron pa pa meron.
Oh my. Daddy.
Thank you, Ina.
Wait, wait.
Kailangan pa po, just dahil zero lang po. Okay. Thank you.
Oh! Mahulog yun! Say hi, guys!
Hi guys, we never took to.
Hi, guys! So, ito na yung McDonald's namin.
Anong in-order mo? Cheeseburger yan?
So, we've got cheeseburger, medium fries. Masasaktan ka, Brian, no? Sinasabi ko na sa'yo. Yung singaw mo, promise, iiyak ka talaga. Di ba may ano to?
This is good. Pizza.
Nuggets. Oh, how about this? Brian, look, it's a Minecraft.
Makining Netflix.
Chicken nuggets.
Right?
And my name.
O, bala ka, mahap dito sa singaw, no, be?
Can you give to me?
No, just take this. Mga plus shiny for sure. Sige. Sige. Mga plus shiny.
Mm.
Sige. Ooh. May singaw kasi siya, guys, sa dila. Eh, di ba may salt yung fry? So, good luck, anak.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Sinabi ko na sa'yo, masakit. Dali na mo. Mama na sa iyo. Sinabi ko na kasi sa'yo, may salt. Ba? I told you, anak. Na?
I want burger.
Burger?
Mommy.
This one?
Oh, cheeseburger.
Eh? Literal lang siyang cheeseburger, Dad. I mean... Okay.
Mommy, there. I know it. Where?
Cheers.